Hey YouTube, it's Ashley MPG. We're going to see how far we can get with what we've got. And today we've got a pretty unique screen protector with the built-in webcam cover. This comes from KIWIHOME. And to start things off, I want to thank them for sending this out to me for review. Now this particular model is for the iPhone 12, but they also offer this for the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max, and the 12 Mini. So I'm going to leave the Amazon link for this, but also right now through March the 31st, they're offering a coupon code. So I'll leave that for you as well. This retails for $9.99, but with the coupon code, your total checking out of Amazon will be somewhere around a little over $5. So a really good value. We'll go ahead and open the box and I'll tell you what I think of this really unique screen protector. Okay, so opening the box here, there's a nice pull-out tray. And you know, opening screen protectors, it's always nice to see what a company includes. Sometimes you don't get anything with the screen protector. And if you've ever installed one, you know you need a couple of additional products to help you get a really good installation. So just going from this, it looks like there is additional stuff that has been included. You have your paperwork here, which is your user manual for installing the screen protector. So, you know, of course, always follow directions included with products. It just makes everything a whole lot easier in the end. We also have this packet of screen protector accessories, so I'm sure that'll come in handy. This looks like a guide to help you place the screen protector on your actual phone. And then it looks like this. Now, this has some pretty good weight to it, so that's very interesting. We'll go ahead and take this out. And as you can see, it's branded with KIWIHOME there, beyond a screen protector. And that's so true. This is actually a 2-in-1 design. So again, you have your actual protector, but the unique thing about this one is that you have a webcam cover. Lately, it seems like there's been a lot more Zoom calls, virtual doctor's appointments. You guys know the overall situation with the pandemic that started a couple years ago. So there's really been an increase in the use of virtual meetings. And I think that this webcam cover offers really good privacy for when you need to cut the camera off for just a second to ensure that no one can still see you, and then you can slide it back over when needed. Also, if you're worried about any apps kind of spying on you, of course, you can always reference the front of your iPhone to see if that orange dot is there, but it's just a good reassuring feeling to know that you can actually have your camera covered. So let's go ahead and install this, and then I'll talk about some other things that I really like about the concept of this case. So we're going to go ahead and open the screen protector accessories and see what we have there. Okay, so we do have a cleaning cloth. I didn't know if that would be included. A very nice touch anytime you have a screen protector. I had one on standby here just in case, because, you know, like I said, a lot of times companies won't include that. So a major plus there. Let's see what else we have. You have your alcohol cleaning pad, another pro. Just get rid of all the smudges, fingerprints, dust. You want to get rid of everything on the screen of your iPhone so that nothing is trapped in between the screen protector and your actual screen. And in that same vein, we have the stickers here for dust collection. So that is awesome, just to get everything off of there. So with this kind of trifecta here, you're pretty assured that you're not going to have anything in the way of dust, smudges, oils, anything like that on your screen. Kudos here for including those things, like I said. So following the directions, it says to clean the screen with the cleaning kit. So this alcohol wipe usually dries pretty quickly, so we're just going to go over the screen of the iPhone, getting rid of all the oils from your fingers, any smudges, anything like that. And it's not super saturated, so it's not going to like drench your iPhone or anything like that. But again, just to kind of clean, have a clean slate here. Okay, we'll put that to the side, kind of let it dry. What I like to do after that is come in with the dust collection. And we'll go ahead and lock the screen just so we can see if there's anything. I just like to be pretty thorough with it. You can't do it too much, really. And then from there to just kind of wipe it like this. Basically, it doesn't matter what order you do it in as long as you get everything off. And so after this wipe down, this could have had some dust. So I'm just going to go over it one final time with the sticker, because I do see a particle there. So maybe the sticker should be your last step, but I think we're good now. Pretty near perfect. And so then it says to place the frame on the phone. And you have markers for top and bottom. So I had that a little backwards. Go ahead and put that on. We're going to peel the protective backing off of the screen protector. Just be careful to not get too many smudges on the underside. You're going to line this up with the top of your guide, and you're going to drop it right in, just like that. Now you just press firmly from top to bottom. And you see there's all these air bubbles, but really just press firmly, kind of work it out. Okay, so now that it's lined up, you can just remove the frame from your iPhone. And I'm going to come back in with this cleaning cloth and just put additional pressure onto the protector to work out these bubbles. Okay, so the install is all done. As you can see, I still have some little air pockets underneath the screen protector. And what I found after using multiple screen protectors is that a lot of the times these things minimize, sometimes work themselves completely out. So I'm gonna let this just kind of do its thing. I will say that when I was applying the screen protector, I kind of just patted it a little bit with my fingers. I would say be way more strategic than that. When you're placing the screen protector on the top of your iPhone, just strategically work down. So apply pressure here and then just kind of massage it down to get all the air in that downward direction and hopefully not trap any between the protector and the actual phone. So that's a tip for me. I will say that they do have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied with your screen protector, you can return it and get your money back. It also comes with an 18-month warranty and lifetime user support. So they really stand behind their products and they're really proud of this unique design, which we're going to talk about right now. In addition to the screen protector, you do have your camera cover. I'm going to look at it just for a minute myself because this is the first time I've kind of tried to utilize it. Okay, very cool. So this is nice. When you slide the protector over, now it is very flush with the phone, so you kind of have to get your finger there. But once you kind of catch it with your finger, you see this little orange indicator or red indicator, and it shows that the screen is now closed and protected. I also wanted to say with this, you get a dust filter built into the screen protector over the earpiece, which prevents small particles, and it also is supposed to maintain the sound experience that you're used to. Yeah, I really like that. So we're gonna open it back up now. And while we're at it, why don't we just open the camera? So we've opened the camera. As you can see, nothing is showing because we have it protected here. When we open this, you can see that obviously now the camera is working. So we'll just slide it back over. Complete privacy, and that's something that I can really appreciate. It just gives you that peace of mind. So again, this one's from KIWIHOME. I'm going to go ahead and let you look here to see kind of the mechanism. I'll also put some other pictures up for you to reference. This is the box, so you can kind of see a little bit better. The cutouts up top. Really nice packaging, by the way. Everything's kind of raised up and glossy and then matte in some areas. So not just a cheap basic packaging there, which, you know, as an Apple fan, I think all of us can appreciate that. Just a little extra touches there. So overall, very pleased with this KIWIHOME product. Again, reference the coupon code down below. You can get it for around $5. Very cool, very minimal design. And honestly, I can't tell that it's added any weight. It's just a screen protector, so it's not going to bulk down your phone or anything like that. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So now that you guys have gone the distance with me, what's a few more steps? Please hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe so that you don't miss future trips. Thanks for watching.